Welcome to the Enchanted Princess. We're going to be showing you dinner at 2 of the 3 main dining rooms. We're going to be going to the Capri and the Santorini on 2 different nights. So come with us and see what we had. Well, to get it started off tonight, Robin from Sea Lake Journeys got the coconut fruit salad. I got the crab cake. Fearless got the pate. And Terri got the Caesar salad.
The coconut fruit salad has strawberries, pineapples, cauliflower. No, not cauliflower. Cantaloupe, pineapple, cantaloupe, pineapple, and strawberries and coconut. It's very good.
And the way she narrated it, I think it has a lot of rum in it too. For the main dinner, I got myself the red snapper, and Robin from Sea Lake Journeys has the beef tenderloin with broccoli, carrots, and potatoes. Terri got the same thing as Robin, but Fearless got the duck a la orange. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. And the difference between what makes this gluten-free and Terri's not is the gravy. The snapper was really mild. Probably the mildest snapper I've ever had. And that mango and salsa that goes with it is fantastic. Fantastic. Some of the best fish I've ever had right here on the Enchanted Princess.
So it has pistachio, I believe it's pistachio mousse. It's very good.
That's her. I got the Princess Love Boat. Fearless got the Love Boat. Terri got chocolate stuff.
I'm excited.
Okay, Sea Lake Journey crew, check this out. We're playing Russian roulette. You may have heard this on Fearless Rambler already. If you haven't, you can hear it from him too. Because they ordered the same drinks. Fearless Rambler, his wife Terri, and Robin from Sea Lake Journeys. The only difference being, one of them had alcohol, the other 2 didn't. Well, according to the waiter, one of them had soda, and the other 2 had ginger ale or Sprite or something. So we don't know what we got here. All I know is that there is no strawberry in this strawberry drink. But there is jalapenos in it, so it's going to be interesting.
Where are my strawberries?
This did not have jalapenos in it, but it has strawberries in it. This one doesn't have strawberries, instead it has jalapenos in it. It's supposed to have butter.
The last one she ordered had strawberries in it, but no jalapenos in it.
The Tabasco.
No one could pronounce the name of Terri's mystery salad, but it looks good anyway. Robin from Sea Lake Journeys also got the eggplant. And this is a cold peach soup. It doesn't sound good, but it tastes wonderful. This is a seafood antipasta for Fearless.
You can't have these mussels. I want them. Sorry.
But okay. I'm drinking. It made me think I'm drinking it now.
What do you do with the soup here?
I was going to drink it with a straw thanks to Fearless, but no, I'm going to instead taste it with a spoon. It's a chilled peach soup. That is excellent. And Fearless is right. You put a little rum in that, get a straw. There you go.
It's really good. Slightly overcooked, but very good nonetheless.
Okay, great. Fearless is trying out the rubber band. Calamari he has on his salad.
Okay, come in. What does that look like?
Onion ring.
Looks like a rubber band to me.
Or a rubber band, yeah. Okay, guys, I have got the lasagna. I have had it before, and it's the best lasagna in the world.
And I got the dietary main dish.
Is that low calorie there, Fearless?
That one's low calorie right here.
Oh,
right here. That's mine.
You got Bill too, right?
Terri got another mystery dish, shrimp and mashed potatoes. Now Robin from Sea Lake Journeys got the grilled chicken breast with mixed vegetables. What she wasn't counting on getting in there was a purple cauliflower. Yeah, for some reason she can eat cauliflower, but just not the purple ones. She's allergic. Well, Fearless got really hungry and got the veal and the shrimp on the mashed potatoes. Well, I don't see that purple cauliflower on her plate no more. Where do you think it is? Oh yeah, over on my plate.
The chicken's very good.
Chicken's good?
Awesome. Really can't beat that.
You want to make room for that? Because I've had lasagna on Princess every ship I've ever had it on, and it's been spectacular. And my sister, who is a lasagna snob, said it's the best lasagna ever in the world. So, let's see if the Enchanted Princess lasagna matches up.
You already got a picture of those.
That is awesome.
Same as yours.
I would definitely order that again.
I just wanted the shrimp.
We ate with a felt.
Veal, and the veal looks pretty exciting.
It's real good.
I'm gonna try cutting without a knife. It did cut pretty easily.
That did.
Yeah, it looks really good. Shrimp.
That's how good the lasagna was, y'all. My typical diet tip is to always leave some food on your bowl. That way you didn't eat too much or overeat. Helps you keep the weight off while you're on a cruise. But guess
The only
what?
thing you left in your bowl was my cauliflower.
Yeah, see, that wasn't mine. I didn't leave that. I was Robin from Sea Lake Journeys
It's
right
because
now.
it can't be on my plate because I'm allergic to purple cauliflower.
So we'll let her slide on that account, but as you see.
I want you guys to notice that we all did vegetable switching.
Yeah.
I gave my green beans up, and he got the wonderful purple cauliflower. And if he's a real man, he'd be eating it.
Yes, they
I'm not eating that. Hey, anybody out there want this?
But certainly,
What is that? A purple cauliflower. I want to give you a look at the menu so you can decide what you may want if you were in the dining room with us here. So tonight I decided to try the chilled fruity soup. It was really good too. And Robin's going to have a Caesar salad. Remember, everything that she eats is gluten-free.
that's how it was last time. Yeah,
Fearless got the great shrimp cocktail right there.
it's actually a seafood medley.
Oh, seafood medley, look at
There's some scallops,
Oh, that looks awesome.
shrimp, but no mussels. So Robin isn't going to like this at
No
all.
mussels. No mussels. And Terry got a pineapple,
No, watermelon feta.
Watermelon and feta with pumpkin seeds and a little bit of mint.
But the best ships are friendships, and may ours always be. Salute, everyone! Ladies and gentlemen. We wanted some of that ground pepper on our supper, and the waiter's going to bring it over to us in a special way.
You counted it.
Oh, really good.
Oh no! We broke the pepper shaker.
Oh, we did.
Yeah, it's a little bit crazy in here tonight, but hey, let's get some dessert anyway. Look and see what you might have with us. Okay, it looks like Robin from Sea Lake Journeys got the pineapple flambe. I got the apple pie a la mode. And Terry got creme brulee. Fearless got the baked Alaska over there. We had great food, great service, and great fun in the main dining rooms on the Enchanted Princess, and we think you will too. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member. Or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.